In previous, we loaded all the columns to the target column. Now we don't want to load every column to the target, or we don't want to pull every column from the source. For that, we can do either at the time of defining the source or while loading to the target. For example, now I will go to the source and open it. I want to remove the columns that I don't want to load. For example, here right double click on this, then select the columns field. Now I want to load only age and gender, and I don't want every other columns. So I just want age and gender. Now click on apply. Now click on OK and press Ctrl S to save this, and it will be updated. Now open the mapping. If you see here, everything is removed. Now here under the source qualifier, all the columns are showing. So here also I don't want to see all the columns. Now I can remove all the unnecessary columns by pressing this cut option. Now click apply and click OK. Now if you see, the target has automatically the existing pipelines are shown like that. Either we can leave like this, or here also in the target we can remove the ports which are not required. For that, go to the targets. Here remove the fields that are not required. If we change in the source or target, wherever this particular target or source is mapped, everything will be updated, or remove the fields which are unnecessary. Now I saved it. Now click on workflow manager, because we need to update the session. Here it is showing no changes. Refresh, and if we click on mapping targets, there is no changes. Now we can run this mapping. Okay, now million records are loaded. Now go to the database and see in the target table. We can sort by age, so attrition, now if I sort by department, because we haven't loaded anything, as the volume is high, it is taking some time. is none. You see, for these columns, everything is null except age and gender because we only loaded age and gender, not the other fields. This is how we can limit the columns that we want to load to the target table.